So far away, so we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the lucky fact of your existence. Baby, I would climb the endless slowly to count of reckless on your body. Never could imagine there were only so many ways to love somebody. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's the deal, my dear. You're over, you're under, whenever. So whenever we can always stay right here. And that's the deal, my dear. Like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky I